Good day, this is Arna Bantao and welcome to my channel. For today's video, meron ako na-discover na bagong gaming application, itong Game Center. Bago tayo magpatuloy, i-check natin muna dito sa baba. I acknowledge that I have read, understood, and agreed the term condition as well as the privacy policy and continue with Google, which is i-connect pala natin ito sa ating Google account. Bago yan, pupunta muna ako dito sa Play Store. This one, the Reward Center Play, Earn, and Win. Ang kanyang rating is 4, 9K reviews, and 500K download. Para malaman natin in regards to this gaming application and yung game info niya, na-release pala ito March 16, 2023 and na-update November 27, 2024. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita and titignan ko kung pa nga ba itong gaming application. Kung interested ka malaman kung paano tayo maglaro kumita sa gaming application na to, samahan nyo po ako sa Zelda and ang aking YouTube channel, and share pa ako ng free earning app na kung saan pwede tayo kumita ng extra money gamit yung ating cellphone na wala tayong ilalabas na puhunan, and we're going to find out kung ano yung withdrawal method na gagamitin. Tap ko na si play, and since naka-check na ako sa I acknowledge, continue with Google, kukonek ko lang and wait ko lang hanggang mag-connect sa Gmail. Pero na agad akong reward center which is 400 coins, and ito yung aking profile, and pupunta muna ako dito sa cash out, and yung aking may reward is 1 coins withdrawal, wala pa, and back ko. Okay, ang ating cash out method dito is Amazon Pay, Google Play, Flipkart at saka Diamond. Yun lang yung available natin, wala pang iba, which is yung like Gcash. And from this, meron tayong mga action, adventure, puzzle, and dito trending, battle shot, chess master, city cricket, which is I think ang gagawin natin dito ay magpe-play tayo sa gaming application. For example, this one, and may advertisement, wait for a while. Okay, for example, this one, the battle shot, 5 minutes. Hindi ko na ipapakita yung pagpi-play para hindi siya time consuming, and may advertisement siya like that. Buti short lang and may skip. In this gaming application, itong mga trending na to is hindi na natin ini-install. Ang gagawin lang natin dito is magpe-play tayo and maglalaro within 5 minutes. O per minute, 5 per minute. So, mali yata yung paglaro ko. We have the arcade, the puzzle. Yan, 4 o 5. 5 coins. And next naman, we have the new games. This one, naka-indicate dito yung mga coins. Kapag once na nilaro natin, makaka-receive tayo ng coins. And next naman, meron tayong reward. Play games. Open. May mga time mo like that. And rewarded video. So, yun nga lang, when it comes sa withdrawal, dito tayo magkakaroon ng struggle. Example, this one, fire. And like that. Dito, kiklaim pala natin yung mga voucher. I need to explore first muna sa gaming application na to, and I'm going to find out kung ano nga ba yung kalalabasan natin sa paglalaro, which is limited niya lang yung ating withdrawal method, wala yung mga iba, diba? So, andito naman yung in-app task natin. Yun nga lang, kapag once na maglaro tayo, yung mga makakash out natin ay hindi natin magagamit since wala naman tayong Gcash dito. I don't know lang sa mga susunod kung mag-update itong gaming application na to.